What is up, guys? How's my 2021 starting? Well, it's still here. This one, it's kind of still acting funny as far as transmission goes, so I need to do the trans filter and the flush. That one, we already know about that one. But this is the car I want to talk about today. This is my question to you guys is, would this A6 2.7 car make a good daily or alternate, like, winter beater? I mean, if you have a WRX or something, cool. But if you're in the market for a car, would this A6 work for you? And my answer is yes. I mean, I've had this, I think I looked today. I've had this car since September. I've never had an issue with it. I mean, well, we know that issue. That issue and that issue. But honestly, for as long as I've had it, getting it for free, she runs, she drives, and honestly, it's twin turbo and it's fun. The cool part about these A6s is, well, obviously it always depends on the model you get. Oh, hold on, let it beep. Oh no, I'm low on coolant. Alright, oh, we gotta take a look at that then. Alright, anyways. So the cool thing about these A6s is if you get the 2.7 motor, twin turbo 2.7, it's a fatter S4, essentially, but I don't know. A lot of people want the B5 S4, which is an amazing car, and that's the reason I got this thing. This car gives me that B5 feel, but more comfortable. Not really well, yeah, more comfortable, because these seats, as you can see, don't mind the mess. These seats are great. You got privacy controls and a couple other things. But you get these in 4.2s, 2.7s, which is this, and the price point is what gets me at I think $2,000. You can get a twin turbo A6, which is a lot less than you'll find WRX for. A lot less than a shitload less than you'll find an Evo for. And to beat around while your car is being fixed, to run through the snow, as you can see, it's been snowing. We've had some stuff. But if you can get over the fact that it's an Audi, hold on. Let's go over the body styling. So, obviously an A6, I don't know, it's not the prettiest. Those headlights are weird, but compare those headlights to the B6. They're slightly similar, right? Alright. Let's do a little bit of interior look around. Oh yeah. And my mess. But it's got this. The cool thing is, it's got these little cup holders that you can, you hide. There you go. Like I said, winter beater, it's a mess. A little bit more hidden compartments and stuff like that. Seats. But where I want to talk about is the motor. So here it is. It's got the 2.7 twin turbo motor, which for the aftermarket community has huge potential. Don't let the cramped engine bay scare you, because Audi has what's called service mode, where you unbolt those two bolts on both sides, and this whole front piece comes forward, and then allows you to get into that cramped space right there. The downfall is there's a couple things that need attention with these engine bays. Obviously, if you're going to do bigger turbos, you need to pull the engine, because the turbos are way down there and there's really no way to get to them. And then there's a couple hoses here. Back here, there's a spider hose, that guy, that you can modify, fix, and repair, and that way you don't get all these cracks and stuff. But honestly, my glasses. But for the money, for the price point, this might be a good beater car, good daily driver, maybe something to think about. Woo. Oh, that rust. That's all right. I got it for free. But for the price point, you guys can pick one of these up. $800 to $2,000, and probably have as much fun, be more luxurious than a WRX. Interior is a lot nicer. The back end of it, I don't know, it's probably not the prettiest car, but it's definitely something to think about if you want to get into the Audi market, have something fun, maybe something you can beat up on, just toss around, or even just have a good beater daily like this car is. Obviously you can see dents, you saw the rust, hood's still messed up, but it's comfortable, it's reliable for me so far, and it's a fun car. Those are my thoughts, guys. Obviously 2.7s do have their pros and cons. Oh, I locked myself out. But they are fun cars. The turbos are great when, like, even now, just driving around, turbos are fun. It's definitely a car to think about. I mean, you probably know someone that has one. I'd say if you guys are in the market for a cheap beater car, even a cheap tuner car, it would not be a bad idea to look into. Alright guys, that's a short video. I'm gonna try to get the other project going. I'm waiting for, like I said, the trans filter for the yellow car. I'm waiting for, I don't think I need anything for the black car. I might wind up changing the wiper switch, and then bring the other car over and get that thing done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later.